G'day. Do you have Peewee problems where they keep hitting the windows like this? Well, I thought I'd fix it, so I put barbed wire. I made a barbed wire thing over the window, but you can see it just lands on top of it. What a nuisance it is. So if you like it up in sunrise, this might be your alarm clock. And you should see all the feathers on the ground. I'll take you outside and have a look in a minute. Listen to it. It wants to fight me. It sees its reflection in the window. And it thinks it's another male. So this is the outside bit, what we were looking at before. So it just sits on the fence in the morning and comes in here and loves pecking at the window. Oh, it's even had to go out this window too. You can see on that side. I don't know if you can see that. Just annoyingly hits it. Just leaves these little taps in the morning. I hear it. So this is one of them that was a long one. So it's very effective, as you can see. I just got to secure it better at the bottom. And this is one that's actually, I'll show you around the other side that I've also done. This is a very effective one. This is the first one I did. And see how it just arcs over nicely. And it's, the Peewee's given up at this side. So if you can make one like that, you're a winner. I'm in the middle of making another one for this side. It's been blocked up for the last quite a few months. So I'd like to use my window. So I'm just going to make another one like that too. I've got a big long piece of timber and just curling over long bits of wire. So it'll look like that. It's kind of jar-like, but best I've fixed. Stop the Peewee, because my bed's right there and it used to hit right there. And there's nothing I can do, you know. 3 hours before I want to get up, there's Peewee trying to wake me up. At least this deters it in a peaceful manner. The first time it happened, geez, it was funny. The Peewee got tangled in it. It fell down, hit my pet goat that sleeps, one of them sleeps here. And then it kicked it off there and everything. I found a little bit of blood down the bottom, the poor thing, but it was effective. But yeah, at least today I filmed it actually in action. So that was rad. Even though I've got morning head, but anyway, top of the morning to you. I'll show you how nice of a morning it is today. Every other morning. Beautiful. Nice and peaceful. Here we come, say hello to my awesome guard goats. Righto. Well, I'll show you. Whoop, my rounds I've got to do. All their water dishes need doing. Get rid of that spider web. Come on, girls. There you go, Cookie. You sleep all right? That's the way. But you, Tilly, you having a good day, Tilly? Hello, good morning. Oh, you got something in your beard. There you go, mate. Good girls, aren't you? All right. If you have a nice day, thanks for watching. See you later.